I always wanted to try an iftar box, so let us unbox this from Samco.
Wow. So, akka solunga.
Sure. This is barbecue chicken. This is mandi. This is sauce.
Okay.
This is halim. Okay. This is the ganji that you have when you open your fast. Chicken curry.
Okay.
And that comes with the parota. And this is the shawarma.
Then
And
you
these
have
are
cut
fruits.
Okay.
Water and juice.
It's rose milk.
Looks like. It has a
Yeah,
sabja
it has
seeds.
some sabja seeds and
in it.
jelly.
Yes.
And
Where
top
is
it off with gulab jamun and
Yeah. And mayonnaise for the shawarma.
okay.
We were so excited to see all the items and we really enjoyed it. Do subscribe for more unique food experiences. Thank you.